Completely giving away your position. What idiots. Oh. If it isn't Queen Mistletoe herself. Hilarious, by the way. Been a while.
Heimdall.
And you must be the little half-breed's father. Lucky day! You have a lot to answer for, Sunshine. You too, traitor.
Better a traitor than Odin's lapdog.
The burden is mine.
I can help.
I know. But you are needed elsewhere.
He's right, you know. Sizzles wasn't looking so hot last I saw.
I know you didn't want this, but we know how this ends. See you soon.
Well, we both know that's not true. But don't worry, Frigg. I'll be coming for you and your brother as soon as I am finished here. Now, what you got? So aggressive. So angry. Not going to lie. I'm disappointed. Really? You are the one who killed Baldur? Have some Bifrost on me! Whoa! What did Gulltoppr ever do to you? Your reputation, I thought I would at least break a sweat. Ride him down, Gulltoppr. Having fun yet? Oh well, you and me then. Any day now. Oh look, the stick is back. Ah! What the? I can feel your frustration. It is immensely satisfying.
What now, brother?
The spear remains our best chance.
Oh, wait! You expected the stick to give you an advantage? Well, I'm waiting. Hilarious! The scion of the Aesir brought down by an old geezer's cave. Ha! Hey, careful! These are new bracelets. Like father, like son. No! No! By the gods! You are... Oh, he is mad now, isn't he? Sad? Funny? Hard to tell. Yeah, that won't work either. Sorry. Oh. How quaint. No match for Bifrost.
Come on, brother! You had that spear built for a reason!
Uh-oh! Well done! More fun for me. You actually hit me! Slow down! I can't decide if I'm more surprised or pissed off! You strike like a sloppy cow! Haha! There we are! Armor fit for a cop. Slow it down.
Come on, brother! You hit him once! Just gotta find your right opening!
You know, pain is not as bad as I remember. Fuck! That's all this is! Wait. What is going on in that empty little head? Oh, no. You are going to spare me out of pity!
Let it go, you may live.
Is this about the little runt? Oh, now I am definitely going to gut him.
This is your final warning.
I don't think a warning's going to cut it.
You think you get to just walk away? No. That is not how this works. You do not get to decide my fate! You are dead, sunshine. Slow down! over your head! Enough! Don't you know who I am? I am the Watchman of the Aesir, the Herald of Ragnarök! I am going to find that little mongrel of yours and beat his face into a pulp! Only one of us is walking away from this. And it sure as shit will not be you! How dare you try and spare me!
Brother! Brother! This isn't who you want to be! Kratos, that was just... I don't know if we are breaking fate, or fate's breaking us.